Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to macOS Ventura, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect a Bluetooth mouse to macOS Ventura, begin by turning on your Bluetooth mouse. Make sure the mouse is in pairing mode. You can usually do this by holding down the power button or dedicated Bluetooth button. Next, move to your Mac. Click on the Apple logo located in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Settings from the drop-down menu. In the System Settings window, look for Bluetooth in the list on the left. Click on Bluetooth to open the Bluetooth settings. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on by checking the toggle switch at the top of the window. Your Mac will start searching for available Bluetooth devices. Wait for your mouse to appear in the list of devices. When your mouse shows up, click on the Connect button next to its name. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating the mouse is now paired. Test the mouse by moving it around and checking if the cursor on your screen responds. If you encounter any issues, try turning the mouse off and then back on again. You can also remove the mouse from the list and attempt to connect again if necessary. Your Bluetooth mouse is now successfully connected to your Mac running macOS Ventura. Enjoy the seamless experience it provides for navigating your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.